Nilfisk introduces the world-famous GD930 vacuum cleaner, a well-known workhorse that has been cleaning the world for more than 40 years. The GD930 series is the epitome of Nilfisk quality, which is why the GD930 is many customers' preferred choice year after year. GD930 vacuum cleaner is easy to use and first and foremost durable. With an efficient motor, high filling capacity and exceptionally robust design, it is no wonder why the cleaner is chosen by thousands and passed on through generations. The GD930 is all about well-proven efficiency and is appropriate for everyday use in most commercial environments. While efficient, the newly introduced variant GD930Q is so quiet it can be used for daytime cleaning without disturbing anyone in the surrounding environment. With its dual-speed function, it gives the possibility to clean in silent mode or have an extra power boost where needed. The GD930Q is not only about low sound, it also saves energy with its low power consumption and makes you environmentally friendly when cleaning, without compromising the perfect cleaning experience. Reliability is a key fact behind the GD930. Extensive trials and long experience in the field has proven that the Nilfisk GD930 vacuum cleaner works continuously trouble-free and is a reliable and trusted partner for many years. The dust bag in the GD930 series has a high filling volume which saves you money. Furthermore, it is easy and hassle-free to change. GD930 is available with a fine HEPA filtration that ensures while dirt comes in, cleaner air is expelled out in the surroundings, leaving you with a cleaner environment. With its durable design, nice features, accessories and reliable functions, the GD930 series offers you a machine that has been thoroughly tested by our customers for years and years. The GD930 series is available in different configurations. Please check your sales literature to find out what model suits your requirements best. Nilfisk, trusted since 1906.